Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel Cryptoland. Hope you all are good and having a great day. As you all know, we talk about new projects, new tokens in which you can invest and get a good return. So today I'm going to share a project with you all from which you can get a lot of benefit. So let's move towards site. But before we begin, I want you all to please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Thank you so much. Alright, so this is our project for today. It's Goes Up Higher Reborn, the token that only goes up. GOHR Goes Up Higher Reborn is an elastic supply token that is mathematically guaranteed to appreciate in value until it far exceeds Bitcoin's market price. So the ownership is renounced. We have link to that. You can check it out by yourself. Liquidity is locked. Then we have their partners, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko. Direct link to buy. Here we have direct link to buy. You can buy Goes Up Higher Reborn token from PancakeSwap. You have to import the token and then you can swap it. We have their white paper. You can download white paper and go through it if you want more detailed information about the project and their visions, etc. So you can download their white paper from their website and you can go through it. Okay, so we have Goes Up High token on PooCoin as well. So we have GeoHR on PooCoin as well. You can check it out, their live chart, their recent transaction. You can check everything on PooCoin, their price. You can check 0.000734 and the chart you can see that is going upwards. The price is increasing. They have just launched and they're going really well. Then the recent transactions you can see the volume, etc. So you have GeoHR available on PooCoin as well, and then soon they will be listing on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. And let's get back to our website. So an elastic supply token, an elastic supply or rebase token achieves the goal of perpetual price appreciation by expanding or contracting the total amount of tokens in circulation. These are some of their features. Dynamic rebases. A rebase is an expansion or contraction of the total supply of token. A negative rebase contraction is employed when the price falls below its target, while a positive rebase is employed when the price rises above the target. Rebases can be triggered up to every 6 times per day. Then the trustless oracles. Trusted oracles are devices used to access a token's price data to protect against hacks. We use time weight or average price feeds generated by on-chain automated market makers. Then increasing peg price, starting from an initial price of 0.001, GUHR will increase 5% every 4 hours for 360 epochs. Okay, so it's full audited contracts after launch. GUHR contract will soon be thoroughly reviewed and audited by some of the most renowned contract auditing firms in the market, Solidity Finance and TechRate. We have link to their social channels. You can follow them on Twitter. You have their Telegram link. You can join their Telegram community. So you will be the part of their team, their investors, and you will have a better knowledge about their project. And you will be notified about upcoming things in their projects. You must have to join the social channels. You can follow them on Twitter and you can join their Telegram community. So this is a Twitter account of GOH Reborn, Goes Up Higher Reborn. Welcome everyone to GOHR, the token that only goes up higher. So you can check out the recent tweets, the live chart, the burning sessions, etc. Everything you will find on their tweets, and you will be notified about all the things happening in their project. Then we have their tokenomics. GOHR is a growth token designed to increase your wealth to help you achieve financial independence. Every transaction is taxed at a low rate of 11% to ensure that nothing will stop us from mourning. The guarantee to rising a price is GOHR has adopted several enhanced features. Tax distribution at low 11% taxes levied on each transaction, from which 4.4% is for liquidity pool. 4.4 of the tax on each transaction is specifically designed to prevent pump and dump and support upward price action. 4.4 is for marketing. We have big plans who will use the funds collected in the marketing wallet for advertisements and influencer support. So GOHR can continue going up higher. And 2.2% for buyback. Our buyback function is specially designed to achieve mooning by buying tokens at regular intervals. That will then be burned to support upward price momentum. We have their roadmap. You can check it out, what they have achieved and what they will be achieving in future, what they have future plans. So the first thing, GOH Reborn website launch, that is done. Then free sale done. Now first giveaway of everyday lottery $500. Then the next thing is CoinGecko 36 hour after launch. They will be listing in CoinGecko. Then Coin Market Cap they will be listing after 72 hours of launch. Then tech rate successful audit, launch first ever STE Shield to Earn platform, then launch of GUHR and ERC20 token, launch of NFT marketplace, and then the last thing, launch of Shilling multi-vendor marketplace. We have some of the frequently asked questions. If you have anything in your mind regarding GUHR project or anything, so you can go through these questions. GUHR is an elastic supply token that expands or contracts its circulating supply depends on its relative distance from its price target. Starting an initial price of 0.001, GUHR will increase 5% every 4 hours for 360 epochs. Then what is an elastic supply token? What is rebase? Was there a pre-sale? What's going on in the chart? Will I lose token? Is the liquidity locked? Is ownership renounced? Everything, whatever questions you have in your mind, will you will get answered right from here. So you can go through this, and then we have again the links to the social channels. I must say you have to follow the social channels so you'll be notified about all the upcoming things in the project. Then you have their white paper. You can download this from their website and you can go through it to know more about the project. So first of all, we have the introduction. Goes up higher, reborn represents the rebirth of GUH. GUHR is a first of its kind elastic autonomous community token with renowned ownership. GUHR is both contractually guaranteed to increase in price until after exceeds Bitcoin price based on BTC, BNB pair. To achieve this goal, GUHR dynamically adjusts its supply to achieve an increasing price peg, which begins at 0.001 and increase 5% every 4 hours of 360 epochs, at which point it will peg to Bitcoin's current market price plus 1 every 4 hours. Then the introduction, we have, you can go through it like historically currency rebasing was used following periods of hyperinflation in order to reduce the nominal value of currency. Reducing the nominal value of an inflated currency can induce the psychological belief among its holders that the period of hyperinflation has ended. In contrast, UHR uses rebasing to create a token that will actually increase in value. UHR mechanism is unique and is unlike any other token available in the market. The contract mathematically guarantees that the price will increase over time, reaching the price of Bitcoin in approximately 60 days. This process is entirely automatic after the first supply adjustment is called. You can go through more introduction. Then we have details to their protocol. And elastic supply token works by adjusting the circulating supply in order to guarantee an ever increasing market price. GHR differs from stable coins by having an increasing peg price or upcoin. For instance, assume our price is 1 USD. If the market price is above 1 USD, the rebase increases circulating supply, reducing the value of each token until the 1 USD price target is met. If the price is below 1 USD, the rebase will decrease the supply, making each token worth more until once again the target price is met. So this is how the protocol will work. And then we have the protocol parameters. You can check it out, and the price oracles, etc. So you can go through their white paper as well. You just have to download the white paper and go through it to know more about the project and the things. So this was our project for today. Goes up higher, that the token that only goes up. So I'll provide the link in my description. You can go through website. You can check out the project by yourself, do your own research, and if you're satisfied, so you can invest in it. And if you invest in it now, so as soon as they will be listing in CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, and they have a great marketing plan, we have checked in their roadmap, so you will be getting a lot of benefit in coming days. I hope you like the website. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and press the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.